but I know you know that already. Okay, today we're going to be doing the letter O. Oh, isn't that good? Yeah. So, it's hard to make an O with our bodies, so we're just going to do it with our hands. Can you try and make an O with your hands? Yeah, I think I see that. Yeah, that's it. It's the same as a circle. So we just make a circle with our hands. So we can go O, O, O. O. Do you know what color begins with O? Blue? No, that doesn't begin with O. Red? No, that doesn't begin with O. Orange? Yeah, orange begins with O. But how can I do orange with my hands? I can't do orange with my hands. But I know what else orange is. Orange is a fruit. It's one of my favorite fruits because I like the color orange and orange is yummy. Okay, so let's go like this. O, O, O. Orange. There we go. O, 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 O. Orange, because orange is a circular, like the O. So we can go orange, orange. How do we eat an orange? We peel an orange. Peel an orange. Because it's like round like this, we've got to take all the sides off. Right? So let's try and do that. O, O, O. Ah, ah, ah. Orange, orange, peel an orange. Good job. Can you do it with me this time? Awesome. Are you ready? I'm ready, so are you? Yeah, let's go. 3, 2, 1. O, O, O. Ah, ah, ah. Orange, orange, peel an orange. Awesome work, guys. I'm Gazzi, and I'll see you next time. Bye.